नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा। सो वेलकम बैक ड्यूटीज फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर। आज हमने लास्ट टाइम हमने ट्रांसलेशन कवर किया था। दिस टाइम विल बी कवरिंग द पर्पट of the 16th verse of 14th chapter of 5th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. So the purport written by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So the purport says, the word Rajakula Rakshasa is very significant. Yes, Rajakula Rakshasa means what? The government men, and Rakshasas by those who are like carnivorous human beings. So the first line of this translation, which is government men are always like carnivorous demons called Rakshasas. Here Sharpad says that it is very significant. श्रीमद् भागवतम वॉज कंपाइल्ड अबाउट मुझे पता है, आई डिडंट रेड द बट अ पर्सन हु इज able to understand the translation and the purport of or the mood of Sri Prabhupada, he can easily comprehend this. So मैंने translation के वक्त ही ये समझा था कि here Srimad Bhagavatam was around 5,000 years ago. It was compiled by Srila Vyasadeva. So but at that time only, so that the word Rajkula is used because at that time the kingdom was there where the king was ruling everyone, and that under that king the people of मतलब गवर्नमेंट में वी कैन से द किंगडम के अंदर जो भी मिनिस्टर्स होते हैं वो सब मतलब तब के समय में इसीलिए तब के समय में राजकुला बोला गया उन वो पर्टिकुलर पीपल को. But at that time we are at right now we are living in a government or in a democracy, we can say. So that's why Sharupa translated that particular word of Rajkula into government man, because we are so foolish, we would not understand this ki, what is this Rajkula. Matlab, for us to connect only Sharupa did this. So Sharupa is giving the meaning that why. So Shripad says here that Srimad Bhagavatam was compiled about 5,000 years ago. Yet government men are referred to as Rakshasas or carnivorous demons. If government men are opposed to a person, that person will be bereft of all his riches which he has accumulated with great care over a long time. हमने देखा होगा कि हमको एक केस, even one case we have to fight in the court, our pockets get finished because there are at every moment there are some charges, some everything. और आपने देखा होगा शायद मैं there are many videos of in YouTube, there are many videos circulating that a person who इस राइट नाउ मतलब वो हमने देखा होगा कि किसी को मतलब जो वी आर राइडिंग द ट्रेन, when we are traveling in a train, we may see that a person is selling a 15 rupees water bottle in at the price of 20 rupees or anything. All the food stuff or everything they are selling, it is everything is hiked by some things are hiked by rupees 100, or the water bottle is price is hiked by rupees 5. So everything there is corruption. So when a person I had seen a video that when a person who had complained to the IRCTC that this particular pantry manager is selling his everything in a high price rate than the MRP actually written in the menu. So what happened that at night when everyone was sleeping, that the pantry manager and among his men, he came to beat that person. Why? Because he complained. Because complain करने के बाद there is amount of 25,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees a penalty on that pantry manager. So he came, the group came to beat that person कि क्यों complain किया करके. So ये तो है, because if you go, if government men are opposed to a person, that person will be bereft of all his riches. मतलब हम compare कर सकते हैं कि इफ अ पर्सन, अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, अगर एक इंसान है और गवर्नमेंट या गवर्नमेंट का कोई भी आदमी, दे थिंक दे और दे डेडिकेट कि ये इस इंसान का जीवन हराम करना है हमको, सो दैट पर्सन विल बी bereft of all his riches which he has accumulated with great care over a long time. Actually, no one wants to pay income taxes. Even government men themselves try to avoid these taxes. But at unfavorable times, income taxes are exacted forcibly and the taxpayers become very morose. So मैंने ट्रांसलेशन के वक्त भी यही बात किया था कि द पीपल और द people, all the Indians, crores of people are paying the taxes, 18% GST in every damn item. To small item, there is 18% GST we are paying. So, but what facilities we are getting from the government, because there is so much corruption in the Indian government, or any other government if we compare. Because in this material world there are four defects in this, in the people of material world, and the one is the tendency to cheat others. So it is मतलब on the मतलब it is like मतलब how can I explain, it is like पहले से ये settings बना हुआ है इसके अंदर कि he will work like this to cheat other people. So that was it for today's small purpose, small lecture. We can consider to take the 17th verse tomorrow. So Hare Krishna. Next verse अच्छा है. I can give a very many examples on it because I have also experienced this with some other peoples. So we will be covering this verse tomorrow, the translation and purport both at the same time we will try. So Hare Krishna. Thank you for watching this lecture. If you have any comments or something you want to say, you can do it in the comment section. हरे कृष्णा. शिला प्रभुपाद की जय. श्रीमद् भागवतम महापुराण की जय.